Hi, my name is Michael Ruhlman. Welcome to another Friday cocktail hour. This past Sunday was Father's Day. I miss my father dearly. A lovely man and an advertising executive who loved to entertain, loved to have people over, and loved to have them stay. And in order to get them to stay, he would say, let me make you a rusty nail. It was one of his favorite cocktails. A rusty nail is scotch and drambuie, and that's it. I'm using a peaty single malt, which is not typically used for a mixed drink like this, but I don't really like blended Scotch whiskey, so I'm using Lafroig, which is very smoky, and a little bit of drambuie. Traditionally, it's 2 parts Scotch, 1 part drambuie. That's as hard as it is, and I'm always served on the rocks, and he wouldn't even use a garnish. So this is a rusty nail from my father. 2 ounces whiskey, 1 ounce drambuie, and ice. I'm going to put a twist in it because I had some twist here. Orange or lemon would work. There you go. A rusty nail from my father. Love you, Dad. Oh, that's so good. It's sweet, it's smoky. And the reading today is from Donald Hall, who died 2 years ago this week. An American poet. It's called My Son, My Executioner. This is from my father and my son James, who's at Syracuse University. My son, my executioner, I take you in my arms, quiet and small and just astir, and whom my body warms. Sweet death, small son, our instrument of mortality. Your cries and hunger document our bodily decay. We 25 and 22, who seemed to live forever, observe enduring life in you, and start to die together. To Rip and James. Happy Friday, everyone.